Now on to the next section, employment history. This is where you worked. Please put the name of the hospital there and the duties, roles, and responsibilities that you had while you're working there. Here, please list as many as possible. In listing as many as possible, you show your experience while working. Also put the date in which you started and the date in which you finished. Here, stating the day in which you started, the month in which you started, and the year in which you started, as well as the day in which you finished, the month in which you finished, and the year in which you finished. If you are still working there, please put the day in which you started, the month in which you started, the year in which you started, and then go on to write present, P-R-E-S-E-N-T. Now, for many of you, you would have done your 12 months post-graduation working experience. In some countries and jurisdictions, it will be a national service. Now, using this example to show you, put the day in which you started, the month in which you started, and the year in which you started. So if you started on the 1st of April 2017, put down the 1st of April 2018. Please do not put down the 1st of April 2017 and then put in as the finish date the 31st of March 2018, as this is not a full year. For some of you, you may have started in the middle of April 2017, for example. Please feel free to put the 1st of April 2017 as the start date, and if you finish in the middle of April in 2018, put 30th of April 2018. The whole point is to show your potential employer that you have had 1 year's working experience, at least, which is a requirement. When it comes to post held, use a nursing officer or staff nurse. For some of you, your potential employer requires you to fill an application form. Please, the dates in which you use on your CV here, please use those same dates in the application form. Now, for some of you who have done your 1 year's post-graduation working experience or your national service, you may have been working as a rotational nurse, in which during the course of the year you may have been working at 2, 3, or 4 different hospitals. Please use the first hospital that you worked at as your place of employment, and use the dates showing a 1 year working experience. So for example, if you was working at one hospital and you started on the 1st of April 2017, and during the course of the year you moved on to different hospitals, just use that first hospital, dated 1st of April 2017 to the 1st of April 2018, for example, showing that you have worked for 1 year. In your CV, please do not use the terms national service, rotational nurse, or rotation in your CV. I repeat, please, in your CV, do not use the terms national service, rotational nurse, or rotation in your CV.